How to use double mirror boxes to narrow down number selections for Pick 3 and Cash 3 lottery. If you're playing Pick 3 or Cash 3, understanding how to use double mirror boxes can help you narrow down your number selections and increase your chances of hitting a winning combination. Let's break it down step by step. What are double mirror boxes? Double mirror boxes are a strategy used to identify specific patterns in your number grid. These boxes combine two key elements. 1. Doubles, numbers that repeat, such as 3, 3 or 5, 5. 2. Mirrors, numbers that are 5 apart, such as 0 and 5, 1 and 6, 2 and 7, and so on. By identifying these doubles and their mirrors in the grid, you can pinpoint the target area where your winning numbers are most likely to be found. How to find double mirror boxes. 1. Start with the previous winning number. For example, if the last winning number was 071, enter it into your rundown generator using the 1, 2, 3 method. 2. Generate the grid. Use the 1, 2, 3 rundown generator to create a grid of numbers. This grid will show you a series of patterns based on simple addition. 3. Look for doubles in the grid. Identify numbers that repeat diagonally. For instance, in one part of the grid, you might see 3, 3 as a double. 4. Find the mirror relationship. Next, locate the mirror number on the opposite diagonal. For example, if the double is 3, 3, the mirror to 3 is 8. This gives you a double mirror box like 3, 3 and 3, 8. How do double mirror boxes help? Once you've identified the two double mirror boxes in your grid, narrow your target area. These boxes highlight a specific section of the grid where the winning numbers are most likely to appear. Focus on connected combinations. Numbers in and around the double mirror boxes are your best picks. Reduce guesswork. Instead of choosing random numbers, you now have a targeted zone to work with. Example in action. Let's use the previous draw 071. After running the 1, 2, 3 rundown, you find two double mirror boxes. 3, 0 and 5, 3, the 3's are the double, and the mirror of 0 is 5. 3, 5 and 5, 8, the 5's are the double, and the mirror of 3 is 8. The numbers around these boxes become your target picks, such as 305, 353, 358, or 538. Additional tips. 1. Use repeating patterns. Look for sequences that repeat in the middle column of your grid. These often connect to the double mirror boxes. 2. Combine with the day sum. Add the digits of the current date and use it to narrow your selection further. 3. Track your results. Use the 1, 2, 3 number tracker available now on Amazon.com to record your lottery plays. This tracker makes it easy to spot repeating patterns over time and improve your strategy. Why this strategy works. The lottery often follows subtle mathematical patterns. By focusing on double mirror boxes, you're aligning your picks with those patterns instead of relying on random guesses. It's not guaranteed, but it's a smarter and more strategic way to play. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more tips and strategies. For tools like the 1, 2, 3 generator, visit LNumerousLotteryStrategies.com to get started today. Good luck, and I'll see you on the other side.